Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video we have the Milwaukee Bandsaw. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Powerful 1100 watt motor provides maximum performance and durability. Largest cutting capacity up to 125 by 125mm material diameter. 4-step variable speed selection from 0 to 116 meters per minute. Constant power technology maintains cut speed in the toughest applications for optimal performance. Gear protecting clutch extends gear and motor life by absorbing high impact forces caused by blade lockups. Slim full metal motor housing design and LED work surface illumination for best cut visibility. Tool-free blade locking mechanism for quick and easy saw blade changes. And tool-free adjustable shoe. The specifications include the following. The voltage is 110 or 240 volts. The power input is 1100 watts. The no load speed is 116 rotations per minute. The product weighs 6.5 kg and has a blade length of 1139.83 millimeters. The cutting capacity for pipe is 125 millimeters. The cutting capacity for a rectangular section is 125 by 125 millimeters. The vibration cutting metal is 1.27 meters per second squared. The sound pressure level is 90.2 decibels. Milwaukee Tool established a tradition of producing innovative heavy-duty electric power tools designed specifically to meet the ever-changing needs of a professional user. Milwaukee produces more than 500 tools and 3,500 accessories, which exceed of any other power tool manufacturer. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.